Good morning, Farr fam. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. We are going to be doing a super fun day today in Cocoa Beach, and you guys are going to be coming along with us. We're going to be doing fishing and kind of actually hanging out, maybe going to the beach and stuff like that. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. You guys are going to be coming along with us because you guys know we did a whole Disney Volcano Bay and then another beach day and a whole bunch of other stuff. So we're taking a little day to chill, relax, fish, go to the beach. So that's the plan. So let's go. We already got coffee, which is always the first step. So now it's time to pack up the car and kind of get going.
I have it. You gonna catch something, Ollie?
My dad said only one that we catch and some fish.
Nice. What are you gonna catch? What kind of fish? A big one, a small one? A medium one?
Oh my gosh, wait.
What?
No.
Did you get, what happened?
Ollie was reeling it and I thought it was...
Oh, I wanna see that manatee.
We reeled that up.
Oh, do you see it?
Turn on camera. What is that?
A manatee!
Where'd it go? We just saw a manatee. Come on, it's right here. It's going this way. It's going this way. Made it to our fishing spot and there's a dolphin. I don't know if that's a good sign for fishing, but it's still cool.
Right there.
Whoa!
Oh.
Oh, so close.
No. That's good because we do not want to touch a pufferfish.
All right, almost had one. All right, we moved to a beach. Jason and I are playing catch now. Too busy to fish. Jeez.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life.
All right, so, whoa, we did not catch anything at the beach, but I think we are gonna go later. So the plan is we're actually gonna go souvenir shopping, which is gonna be super exciting because we haven't really done it this trip. We've shopped at Disney and that's about it. So now, Cocoa Beach shopping, here we come. Let me see. Ooh, the shark's a cool one. Ooh,
That's fine. Dolphin.
dolphin.
We
Nice.
just saw a dolphin.
Yeah, we did.
I'm getting this for Weston, Carter.
I found you some ink.
Get this for
Oh,
Weston.
that's crazy.
You
feel it? Feel the teeth.
Yeah. Dang. All right, let's see. Do you know what are you getting?
I'm getting this shark tooth necklace. I'm getting a Cocoa Beach keychain and another Cocoa Beach keychain.
Nice. Those are cool.
Stitch.
Is that Stitch? Oh. All right, so we just you wanna wear this? We just left souvenir shopping, actually a little bit ago. Now it is time for the boys' surprise. This is something we've all never seen or done. It's space launch. So that's gonna be fun. Setting up for the surprise.
I'm right here.
Someone said that like we would know. Was one know.
I think you're gonna hear it. Like you're gonna have to hear something.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Are you excited, Ollie? Yeah. You'll see, bud. You'll see. Are you excited? Come here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how you guys can see it. Wow.
What does it do?
That is the rocket. And all that smoke. Alright, so we just saw the Falcon 9 rocket. It was super cool. Now we're actually going out to dinner right now, which is going to be super good. We found this cool restaurant and Lindsay and Jace are already in there. So let's go eat.
You're a good vlogger.
You're a good vlogger, Jace.
Alright, Jace is making me do this. It literally tastes like watered down lemonade.
It's good.
It's not.
So is it my turn?
Yeah.
Is it good? Alright, my turn to do it.
More.
Dude, why is it so good?
More.
It's so disgusting.
This is mine.
First thing, bite it, rate it 1 through 10. So you gotta go like off here. Off the side.
Okay,
What is that green sauce?
This is gonna be honey mustard. This is gonna be like some sort of cheese.
What do you rate it?
9.7.
9.7. You wanna try some? Food just came out.
Can we share that?
Yeah. Lindsay got mac and cheese. Jace got chicken sandwich. Here he comes. And then
It's
2
Silverware.
a.m. burger. Yeah, I know. It's pretty good.
But take the slowest bite possible.
Jace diving in. 1 through 10. 9.5. 5. 9.5. 9.5. All right, Jace, try it. Rate it 1 through 10.
9.9.
All right, my turn.
Oh my god, rate that 0?
This is a -3. No, it's a 9.5. Really good. All right, and we are home after a super long fun day. We saw the Falcon 9 at night again. And then during this, we caught a ton of fish. You guys can see pictures right here. It was super hard to film because it was so dark, as you guys can see, because it's like 11 o'clock tonight. We're gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and tomorrow we have more fun in Cocoa Beach. And we'll see you guys in the next one.